In our previous video, we had looked into the concept of an assessment year. In this video, let us look into the concept of a previous year. Now, what is a previous year? Previous year is nothing but a financial year immediately preceding the assessment year. For instance, if the assessment year is 2018 and 19, the year immediately preceding or the year immediately before that would be financial year 17-18, and that financial year itself is known as the previous year. So previous year's income would be taxed in the assessment year. For example, let's say you have earned 5 lakh rupees in the financial year 17 and 18. In that case, you will not be required to file the return of income in 17-18 itself, but in the assessment year 18-19. So 18-19 becomes our assessment year, whereas the year when we have earned sufficient income so as to be taxed becomes our previous year. So then when does a previous year start? Generally, it's on 1st of April of the particular financial year, or in some cases whenever the assessee's earnings start. Let us say you qualify as a company secretary on August 25th and you immediately start your practice. Then for you the previous year begins on August 25th and ends on 31st March. Let's say you started your practice on 2017 August, your previous year ends on 31st March 2018. So for you the previous year would be 2017 and 18. And for this earnings, the income tax return would be filed in the assessment year 18-19.